Hello students, let's try to solve this problem of System Verilog. So in this problem, we are given two variables inside a class, which is a payload and a CRC. And we are just supposed to implement a constraint which satisfies this both condition. So the first condition is like payload has exactly 4 bytes, each fully random, no range restriction. The second is CRC must be the XORing of all the payload bytes. Right. So here in this case, it is like payload 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's say, but your solution should also ideally work if, let's say, we are given till payload 100, then uh, here it's just 4 elements, so it would be easy. But let's say if you're given 100 elements, then also ideally your solution should work. So basically, you need to XOR each and every elements of payload to evaluate the CRC. Right. So let's try to code this problem. This is pretty simple problem. Let's say CRC XOR. It says user defined name. You can have it for constraint and just your constraint, the CRC would equal nothing but equal to your, see, the ideal way of solving would be you just need to do XORing of each and every element, and that's all. So since we're getting some error, basically what we are trying to achieve here is you are when you do payload.xor, it will XOR each and every element of payload and will assign to CRC. So here if we see, right, a payload dot XOR, it's saying that it's some syntax issue. All right, so here it seems that you're just missing on some syntax. Okay. I think inside the constraint you need to have every time semicolon that may be missing. So I think this should work now. All right. See, as our all the test cases passed, and this seems to be a correct logic, and that's why we are getting this status. All the test case passed. And you can also do, by the way, in this question instead of this, you can also do of individual elements. Right, XORing you can do of all the elements. Something like this. Right, so this would also work, but this here you need to see that here 3 elements are there, 4 elements are there, so this might work, but if there are more elements, then this might not be the best solution. So here you can do this, and there is one more way of solving this, and that would be you can also use some logical construct to solve this question, like instead of using this inbuilt XOR function, you can try to generate this logic by yourself as well. So that can be one of the way of solving this question as well. So all right, that was this for the question.